Hi everyone, this is Jessie from Carku. Today is an unbox video for one of your jump starter. And here is our neutral boxing. Usually it is a craft boxing. Of course, you can make any color you want for customized service. Okay, let's open it. Then we can get a clothes pouch. Yeah, it's with a hand strap, so it is easy to carry it to everywhere. Yeah, okay, let's see what's inside. One unit and one intelligent jumper cable and one charging cable. It is USB to Type-C. And also the menu is put in the match bag on the back. Yeah. Okay, so next we have a look on our product. Yeah, it is very small but very useful. You cannot imagine it can jump start up to 5-liter gasoline cost, and the peak current can reach 1500 ampere. Also, it's with dual USB outputs, support charging for your mobile phones, tablets, and also other digital products. And it with Type-C input ports up to 15 volts, and the 12 jump start ports with pull-push design. And the LED lighting, it supports 3 modes, like lightning, struggle, SOS. Yeah, okay, so that's all for today's unbox video. Hope you will like it. Bye.